Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to cash out your money from Bitget by withdrawing your crypto to an external Web3 wallet. This is the method most people use to move funds safely off the exchange. So follow along. Start by opening the Bitget app on your phone and logging into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the assets icon, the wallet symbol, and then choose Withdraw from the menu. Next, select the coin you want to cash out. For example, let's pick USDT. Bitget will then ask if you want to make an on-chain withdrawal or an internal transfer to another Bitget account. Choose on-chain withdrawal. Since we're moving the funds to an external wallet, you'll now see a list of blockchain networks. Pick the network you want to withdraw through, but make sure it matches the network you'll be using on your receiving wallet. For example, if you're withdrawing USDT on the BNB chain, the receiving wallet must also be set to BNB chain USDT. Open your Web3 wallet like Bitget Wallet, MetaMask, or Trust Wallet. Tap Receive, select the same crypto on the same network, and copy the address that appears. Go back to Bitget and paste that address into the withdrawal page. Enter how much you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that on-chain transactions require gas fees paid to blockchain value. These fees don't go to Bitget, and the amount depends on network congestion. After you've entered everything, double-check the wallet address and network. Then confirm the withdrawal. That's all you need to do. Your crypto will begin processing and show up in your Web3 wallet once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this.